There we go, and connect. Also, did you see the precision in this brush? Did you see that? I'm gonna leave the link here. And this one's amazing for shimmer shadows as well. So many uses. Okay, now we need to make sure that this is nice and smooth. We don't want to set any creases, just like our concealer. That's bad. Okay, this is almost identical to the purse. I had to dig this palette out. I used to use this palette all the time. It's so nice. It's from a brand called Bodyography. It's really kind of a pro brand. That's why you don't really see it a lot. But these shadows, I mean, come on. Look at how beautiful that is. Now I'm taking my E28 here and I'm just gonna keep packing this on that white base. That's really pretty. Oh, it's perfect. And don't be afraid to just get all wild. I'm gonna link the E28 here because remember, we can clean it up, and what we're really wanting to do is make sure that we're covering up all that white eyeshadow base. That is just so pretty. Dougie opened my door and Granny's music is going to town in there. We'll be okay for a second. So it's some micellar water on the same brush that we used, and then I just clean up under here. Let me show you on this side. I didn't clean this side yet. Just clean that all up. And you'll never see me use wet wipes. For one thing, I don't like all the tugging. I love this brush because it does it so precise, and then we don't have to tug on our skin. And micellar water is just so much easier. And of course, waste. You can also kind of clean up through here as well. This is a lot easier to do in a mirror, but I wanted to show y'all. Just take your micellar water and clean up through there as well. But do it in a mirror, not your phone. Okay, I gotta take a little break. Spray my Caudalie stuff. You wanna know what? My mother and Ben have discovered this. And okay, so we have to match the gold details. I'm in a spicy mood. It's Monday, let's get spiced. I'm so happy. This is gonna be hard to do here, but we're just gonna scoop some out and you scoop it into the tray. Okay, I am filming a video that I will post on TikTok for this look, but what I did is I mixed 2 or 3 drops of this, the Mario mixing medium, and I mixed it into the gold. I'm gonna do the other part here, but you just didn't see the mixing, but you will see the mixing in the video. Please forgive me. I just can't do it all. And then let's just take this. Perfect. And then, whew, that's so pretty. Whew, I love makeup. We're just gonna take it through there. So I've really been loving kind of rounding this inner corner here. I did this when I used the Half Magic collection, and I just thought it looked so fun and different. Honestly, this is giving music video. Okay, so we're doing a wing, but I'm gonna leave all of that. I'm even gonna leave that. I love the way that looks. Valentino liner, and please notice how that liner is not bleeding into that matte lavender. That is so rare. I always found that one of the reasons my wing kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger is because my liner was bleeding and I was trying to kind of catch that bleeding, and that's what happens there is that's when it starts to go into the natural lines on the eye and it just turns into chaos. This liner does not do that. I'm going to link it. I know it's pricey. Remember, it's double. It's a double-ended vibe here. I truly believe it's worth every penny. Okay, I'm gonna go grab some lashes because I just tried out a mascara that I don't like. So I need lashes to cover that up. Be right back. 3 hours later, finally found them, contemplating having kicks, cereal, and then decided I should get back up here. House of Lashes in the style Spellbound. Okay, I'm gonna go film another part of the concealer series, but it starts with a little bit of skin prep, so let me go do that. Be right back. Okay, I've already started the tutorial, but I'm not done with it yet, so I'm gonna have to hop back off. But I wanted to show you the foundation I'm using. I am using my Dior one, and the reason I've been using this one is because this match is just so good right now. I'm so That's not different powder. That's different technique. Honestly, these series that I've been doing, they make me so happy. Let's try this bronzer from M Cosmetics. Of course, we're grabbing that on a C40. That's pretty. I love how buildable it is. Ooh, nice. That's very pretty. Don't be afraid to build up your bronzers. I know that we were taught we need wild pigment the moment that we go into products, but for me, that always got me in trouble and I couldn't figure out why. Building is so much better than just having way too much on the face. Okay, so I want to kind of keep it in the lavender family. This is another blush from Valentino Beauty. This is shade 3, and I think I'll apply it here. That's going to add a little lift to the face. Isn't that pretty? And then you see that beautiful glow in there? These are special. Beauty Creations Pastel Liner. This is the shade Iris. And then along our waterline. So pretty. I would have used the one from Sephora collection, but it is still sold out. I love those so much, but this is really nice too. Look at how much this side's creasing. I'm gonna post this tonight so you don't have to wait too long. Look at this. And then look how smooth this side's staying. Same powder, like I said. Okay, stay with me. This color is so pretty. It's from Sephora collection. Let's leave it like that just for a second. Now I'm gonna grab this Revlon lip liner here. And what you're seeing me do is grab the lip cream and just kind of mix it in. I think I just found my new favorite lip combo. That's pretty. I'm just gonna touch up the gold a little bit more. I got a little bit of the concealer on it earlier. Just kind of make sure it's really vibrant. There we go. We're done. We're spicy. We're going to go get a coffee. Thank you again, Sandra, so much for this beautiful purse. I'm gonna go post this on TikTok. We're matching. Please make sure you go check her out. I mean, this would be the perfect gift. Just look at this. She's a small business and we gotta support small business. So go check her out immediately. Now, I love you all so much. I'll save this to my highlights. I'm gonna do another look for the other purse too. So special. And I'm gonna go edit this difference. I mean, look at this even right now. Do you see this? Do you see this? I'm gonna go edit that. I love you all so much with all of my heart. I'll see you tonight in the comments.